quarantine. We are in a global pandemic right now. That's when everyone in the whole world is fighting the same sickness. This sickness that's affecting the whole world is called COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus like the cold or flu, but much stronger. We get sick when these germs get into our bodies. Real COVID germs look different. I can't see germs with just my eyes because they are too small, but they are still real. If they get into my body, they can make my body weak and I can get sick. To keep everyone safe from getting sick, we wear masks and practice social distancing. Social distancing is when I stay 6 feet apart from other people so my germs can't touch them. 6 feet is the length of a couch, 6 long sandwiches, 3 big steps, or 6 pairs of big shoes. Even though we try to be safe, COVID-19 is still very strong and we can still get sick. When I get sick, I will be quarantined so that I don't spread my germs to other people. I can do virtual school and sessions so that I don't miss anything while I'm in quarantine. After I quarantine and I am safe, I will go back to see my teacher and friends again. When I am healthy again, I can keep safe by social distancing and wearing a mask. And when I feel better, I can say I helped keep everyone safe by staying home in quarantine. I did my part to fight off COVID-19. I am a super health hero!